G'day guys, Matt here. Now I'm with Jodie. Now she's an interior designer and she's gone to Glasgow Metro and challenged them about her glazing requirements on her new project, her own home. Now Jodie, how you going?
Good, thanks Matt.
Okay, so straight up here, security screen, okay? Now I see InvisiGard. Now tell me, why did you end up selecting this product?
So I used Invisi-Gard because I really wanted to make sure that I had security. I could basically leave this unlocked at night, sleep with the window open and get that airflow through the room. That was really important to me to feel secure. I didn't want to have an ordinary fly screen here just for that purpose basically, mostly security, which then also allows me to leave it open and pull through a really good breeze through the house without having to have air conditioning on.
Yeah, excellent. Now I talked to Dan before about InvisiGard. He tells me it's stainless steel and it's 316 marine grade. So that's the strength there, so that's peace of mind as well.
Yes, absolutely. Nobody's getting into that very easily.
And I've noticed, just have a look at the height of that door, that's 3 metres. That's huge.
It is huge. It was really important to get the north light into this house.
So you had to raise that sill height to get it up?
Yeah, and the house was cold before we did the renovation and I knew that I had this northern aspect, so I really wanted to let...
And our ceiling height's inside here, what's that, 34, 37?
I think...
Around about there? It's huge.
Yeah, it's around 37.
Okay, so look, opening that up, it's pretty easy for a big door.
Yeah, it is. It works really well.
And the views out there, I can see why you've chosen that black InvisiGard.